Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV17. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV17 is losing suction, it's likely due to a faulty cyclone. This issue occurs when debris accumulates within the cyclone assembly, leading to a drop in performance. If not addressed promptly, the vacuum may struggle to pick up dirt and debris, making your cleaning tasks more difficult and less effective. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Dyson SV17 is turned off and unplugged. Start by removing the dust container by pressing the release button. Next, you will need to locate the cyclone assembly, which is typically situated directly above the dust container. Carefully unscrew the screws holding the cyclone in place, making sure to keep them safe for reassembly. As you do this, be gentle so you don't damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the screws are removed, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry the cyclone away from the main body of the vacuum. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could cause damage. Once you have successfully extracted the cyclone, inspect it for any blockages or wear. If you notice any significant damage, it's best to replace it with a new one. To install the new cyclone, simply reverse the steps you took to remove the old one. Position it correctly, and then secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened adequately but not excessively. Reattach the dust container by clicking it back into place. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV17 and give it a test run to ensure the suction is now functioning properly. If the performance has improved, you've successfully resolved the issue. To prevent this problem from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean your cyclone and dust container. It's also a good idea to check for blockages in the hose and filters periodically. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.